All right, I'm installing the solar inverter system that was in my RV into my home as a battery backup. Basically, it's a battery-based generator. I keep it charged from the wall if the power goes out. It'll keep my furnace running, refrigerator running, freezer running, the lights on in the house. The batteries I have will probably keep that all going for at least 10 to 12 hours, and then I can plug a generator into it if I need to afterwards. Oh yeah, here. Don't mess with this stuff if you don't know what you're doing. Seriously. You could really hurt yourself or do some serious damage to your house. And I hope I don't get a copyright strike on this for the music in the background. That's the shunt and the DC distributor that connects the battery to the inverter. I'm slowly getting there. And at this point, this is all wired up. Just have to put the covers on it. Covers on the distributor. I gotta put the cover on the shunt. There's a big 500 amp fuse in there. That small box is the MK3 to connect your computer to it to program the system. Those are not Ethernet cables. They have special ways of talking to each other. The Servo DX is the brain to it. That's that little rectangular blue box in the center. The upper right is the solar charger, which gets connected to solar panels. I'm not going to be using that until I find a place for my solar panels. And here's Rocky checking out
What you
everything I'm
doing,
doing.
Rocky? Checking out everything?
He's not afraid of power tools.
What are you doing?
He's got a
What?
little stuffed animal that he's attached to, and he drags it down to wherever I'm at. Here I have the battery cables taped up to cover the terminals. And there's enough power in these batteries to run several air conditioners. There's the batteries on their side. They're LiFePO 4. They're safe. They can't explode. They don't burn like EV batteries. The system's online now. I've already tested it. It's working. I just got to finish wiring it in. And there you go.